everyone, and welcome to Southern Motors, Michigan's leading muscle and classic car dealer since 1978. Remember, you can always go online and check out our updated inventory at southernmotors.com. Today, guys, going to take a look at just a gorgeous 1972 Plymouth Duster. Great car, guys. I actually drove this car through a weekend of the car show. This outstanding car. Very cool car. The only thing I do not like is I do not like this gray vinyl top. A guy bought it from, this car was actually a barn find out of Florida. And he swears that that's the vinyl top that was on the car, and he's convinced that that was the original color of the vinyl top. Now the trim tag says it isn't. It says it was white one. So I will tell you, I have a brand new white vinyl top sitting in a box that'll go with this car if you want to put it on, or get it put on, or if you want us to arrange to put it on, we can do that. But love the car, factory color combination. Again, this was a barn find, and he said this is the paint that was on the car. It has been had a paint correction and ceramic coating, and it's beautiful. It does have all brand new interior, and it has gone through a complete mechanical restoration. Great car. Air blows ice cold, matching numbers, 340 car. Great car. Love the shark tooth grill. Again, not a whole lot to really pick at on this car. It is a very nice car, and like I say, I have pictures of when this car was pulled out of the barn. Fender mount turn signals work. Again, this is the paint. Other than a couple little touch-up marks, you know, you can nitpick the chrome on the fender mount turn signals. Other than a couple of little marks in the paint, hard to pick. It's beautiful. Again, matching numbers, 340 car. Like I say, just not a fan of this vinyl top, and maybe you like it. I'm just not a fan of it. Does have all brand new interior. I love the color combination on this car. It just screams 1972 to me. Of course, it's got the pop-out rear windows, and you can even see where that vinyl top is shrunk up a little bit. But really good car. Like I said, I put quite a few miles on the car. It really drives out good. Factory radio works. But really just a good car. All original body panels. Of course, it's got the rally wheels with new BF Goodrich Radial TAs. He said those are the correct exhaust tips. Does have new dual exhaust on it. Car's nice and straight down the sides. And again, these were the stripes. Kind of pick at them a little bit, but really nice. And again, I drove this car in 90-degree weather. I'm not an air guy. You know, if you watch my videos before, I'm not big into air, but I had 3 days of 90-degree heat. Car does have front disc brakes, and so the very last day, if you've ever been to a car show with me or watched me at a car show, I beat the pavement. I'm all over the place. And so the very last day, when I drove this thing back to the hotel, I rolled the windows up and turned the air on, and it'll freeze you out of there. I'll tell you that right now. Again, matching numbers, 340 car, matching numbers, 727 Torqueflite automatic trans. The mechanicals have been gone through on the car. 4-barrel stock intake and exhaust manifolds, power steering, power front disc brakes, and of course factory AC, and yes, it freezes you out of there. Electronic ignition. Pretty car. Love the car. And again, turn the key, point the direction, and go. I had it on the expressway, 70, 75 miles an hour. Drove great. Radio works, all the lights were working. I mean, just a good car. Door handles look good. This is a remote mirror. Very nice. Original door sticker. You can see how clean the door seams are. All new legendary interior. New carpet. Very nice. Hardcover headliner in it. Steering wheel's nice. 72,843. That's your original miles. All the gauges worked. Like I say, AM/FM radio works. Dual exhaust, 8 3/4 factory 323 rear gear. Original owner's manuals in there. Factory jack with the spares in there. It's all body color in the trunk. Again, that's your owner's manual, and I think that's just some literature he had in there from the show. Great car, very nice underneath. Said it's never been undercoated. They went to the fuel system, put a new fuel tank in it. Again, you'll see the pictures underneath. The car is very nice. Love the interior. Love it. And seats are all repadded, refoamed. Dash is in great shape. Just runs and drives as sweet as can be, guys. Like I said, hit the road just great. Got the air on, like I say, it blows ice cold. And I'm not a real, like I say, air guy. Normally I don't turn the air on, but I'd had enough of the heat for that weekend, so I tested it out. All your gauges are functional. Everything opens and closes really nice. Backup lights work. Fender mount turn signals work. Great car. AM/FM radio works. Wipers are functional. Hit these, Nathan. Hopefully you can see that. They work. Love the grill. Again, guys, make sure you keep track of my inventory. You can do that at southernmotors.com. Another great way to keep in touch with us is through our Instagram and our Facebook page. Definitely subscribe to our YouTube page, guys. You can do that by clicking the little button there at the bottom. That way you get a notification every time I post a video. Called Amber Sherwood. I can't remember what they called it, 72, but great color. Again, vinyl top. If you don't like it, I got a brand new white one in the box sitting here. Have a great day, guys.